Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you a very clear example of a possible range trading strategy, because we can never be 100% sure. The range trading strategy is one of those strategies that is very simple. Usually the price moves inside a well-defined support and resistance zone. It moves in this way, up and down, up and down. So this is one of the main characteristics of this strategy. Every time that the price moves near to the bottom of this area, to the bottom of the support zone, we have buyers that are well positioned. So the buyers create buy position here, and they are pushing the price up to the support zone, to the resistance zone. And once the price is near to the resistance zone, we have the buyers that are closing their positions here, and we have the sellers that are initiating. This is showing also that the bullish and the bearish momentum are very strong, and that is why the price continues to develop in this zone. Another strange characteristic is that the more touches we have on the resistance zone and on the support zone, the higher the chances that our strategy can work. It doesn't have to be perfect in this way, because this is a textbook example, but we are going to look at this on a real-time example. This is Euro Chief analysis that I'm going to share with you today. As you can see, we are on the daily chart, and we have a well-defined zone above. So look at this area here. I'm going to place the price. We can see that we had strong resistance near to this zone, but the selling pressure was high and it moved the price down. We had selling pressure again, and here we are for the fourth time. So we are assuming that the price is going to move down again. On the other hand, if we are going to see, the price reaction is already interesting. We are on daily chart and we have 2 consecutive days of bearish movement. On the other hand, for the support zone, we can draw this one as well. This is a big zone overall, but if we are going to leave this outside, because as I explained, it doesn't have to be perfect, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we have another one that is the 6th. So also the buyers are pushing the price up. So in this way, the strategy takes more value, so we have buyers more than sellers. I think that once the price starts the bearish movement, it can face a strong resistance near to the middle of this area. I'm looking at also for this zone because it's very dense this time. It doesn't have to be in this way every time we are looking at, but a perfect target will be if the price moves near to this zone, so near to 0.93. This is the perfect target for our Euro Chief trade. So look at where the price it was stopped several times. We are looking at for this movement. So this is the strategy that we are looking at for Euro Chief. The maximum was reached at 0.9450. It's around to the zone. It's possible any small correction before it moves down to 0.9360, and later it can continue to 0.93. However, in this trading scenario, I'm not taking into consideration the fundamental analysis. We are looking at also only from a technical perspective and the strategy that I already explained. So that's all for Euro Chief. To keep it simple, this is a very clear chart. It doesn't have to we don't have to break this down on a lower time frame. It's crystal clear in this way. So let's see what is going to happen during the coming days. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.